What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So the Sequoia LED cluster issues, what I wound up doing is soldering in this style 194 LED bulb. What's nice about these is it has solderable legs that you can flip open and solder them right to the board in the back instead of using those sockets. Yeah, these little things, these were horrible. These 194 LED chips were horrible. And then I guess they just don't fit well in those turn sockets. I'm not really sure. So I said, I'm not dealing with this. So I soldered them right to the board, and I'm not dealing with loose connections anymore. That's and flashing Christmas tree lights in my Sequoia. So I'm finished. I got these from Amazon. I was going to solder these styles in, but I didn't feel like doing much more work than that. But this was the bomb. These came from Amazon, and the tabs are easily solderable. You just flip them open, tuck them in, dab some solder on them, and you're minty fresh. Thanks for watching.